Hi, welcome to Budget Friendly Tech. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 must-have gadgets for your car. Let's jump in. Now, firstly, I know that everyone loves to light up the interior of that vehicle. So first up, we have the LED cup holder lights. These ones in particular are changeable between 7 colors. They're rechargeable. You just charge them, drop them in your cup holder once they're turned on, and that's it. Very, very easy. No install required. Now you can also pick these up in different makes and models like Chevy, Lincoln, Ford, Jeep, Chrysler. Almost any way that you would want to customize your car experience, this is available. So check down in the comment section for a link to check these out. Next up, to truly make your driving experience unique, we have the smart LED strip lights. You put these in underneath your car, plug them into your charging port. This set is also controllable by your smartphone, so you can change the color, intensity, you can make them pulse, you can make them go to the music. I've had these in my car and they are absolutely a pleasure to have when you're driving at night. The kids love them as well. This particular one right here currently has a 20% off coupon that you can apply for free. So if you want to check these out, check down in the comment section. Now, coming to the back end of winter and going into spring, I know that everyone's going to have dirty car interiors. So next on the list, we have the car vacuum cleaner. This is rechargeable, has several accessories that will help you clean dirt and debris that's down in the cracks between the seats, under the seats. Any way that you can find dirt, this will pick it up. Okay, mirror, dash cam, and backup camera. This is full HD, is installable in any kind of vehicle, has night vision, park assistance, and comes with a 32 gig SD card. Now, dash cams have grown in popularity because we all know that people don't know how to drive, and dash cams can save you in the event that you're in an accident that was not your fault. You would have it on camera showing exactly what happened. And the added bonus that this also has the backup camera. And then next on the list, we have if you have a newer vehicle and you don't need the backup camera, but you would like to get a dash cam, here we have a dash cam. This one is 1080p full HD, does have night vision. It has a 3-inch LCD display, comes with parking mode, a G sensor, loop recording, and more. And like I mentioned before, because people don't know how to drive, dash cams have grown massively in popularity and can get you out of sticky situations. This one also at time of recording has a 50% off coupon that you can apply. Thank you so much for watching. Those are 5 must-have gadgets for your car. If you'd like to pick up any of these, make sure you check out the video description for the links to the products. And also make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification. That way you're notified every time I upload a video. I upload videos every Monday and Friday where I scour the internet for the best deals on tech that you need to have, and I share it with you. That way it can save you time and money.